I'm here to talk to you about my awesome project, Openlinks. Um, so yeah, my name is Logan. I'm the lead contributor to the project. Um, Moving on. I'm quickly going to go over um, just some big problems that most people face on the internet today. I'm going to talk about how we're, as users, kind of controlled on the web, and then I'm really going to go through some exciting stuff about how we're using awesome technology to further user control in our awesome app, Openlinks. So yeah, we're really big fans at Openlinks of the company Privy, who's in the IPFS space. They have a awesome quote from their co-founder in a Medium article. She said, "It's not about not sharing data. Privacy is about control of the data that you're sharing." So really, like, what data you're sharing and how do we better control that? So some things that really come to mind today that I think about quite a lot, unfortunately. There's a lot of times, like, when you go throughout the web, you'll lose awesome like features and things that you've bought and that you've purchased. So it's really just common for really big corporations to just take things away from us. For one, on iTunes, contractual disputes will take away songs from us, and so you'll try to listen to a song, and then all of a sudden you can't listen to it anymore because it's not available, even though you bought it. Another one would be Nintendo basically like not allowing you to buy old games because they want you to buy the new ones. And so really, to me, this is just like a big cultural gridlock, and it's like we should totally be allowed to have this type of information. So yeah, basically to solve this issue, to kind of get rid of this, we are here at IPFS, and by using tools like web3.storage, IPFS, and Filecoin, we can really get away from having this type of control and having keeping the control out of our users' hands. So yeah, it's by utilizing web3.storage, like I said, we can kind of get away from this. We can really align our architecture with the wants and the needs of our users, which is really where we should end. So another thing that we figured out, just kind of prelude, when we started making microsites on IPFS, we really realized that IPFS is good at doing such things. With working with really small file sizes, you can really get response times to go down, and you really can make IPFS work for what it's built for. So I'll lead you into our actual app, Openlinks. It's a really, really simple, easy way to build a link in bio on IPFS completely. So you can go to our website, openlinks.io, and with a simple Google sign-on, or you can sign on with your email, you can basically create a censorship-resistant website with just a few clicks. We've added a ton of features, like recently in the past couple months. We have profile photos. We have the whole page itself too is all stored on IPFS, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, really, I guess to kind of go through it more, all of the user data that we're collecting, it's all there's sacrifices you have to make when building apps, of course. And so we're trying to make sure that the sacrifices we're making are small enough for our users and bigger for us to take care of later on. Like I said, there's no crypto wallet needed. You don't need any gas to make a site or anything. And yeah, the web page and everything on it is all persistent. And yeah, there's really a lot of work we want to do with this. There's a lot of things we need to add. We have a ton of feedback from our users that we're actively implementing and also like hearing more from. And so if we could get any feedback on our GitHub, it's a super easy project to kind of like get into and to work on. It's just a simple front end, and then we basically carry that and host that ourselves. And so yeah, I would love for anybody to go to our website and to use it and to give me feedback if possible. Go to the GitHub and see if there's any like issues. There's a lot of low-hanging fruit that you could probably help us take care of, but other than that, just using the app is really all that I want. We have a bunch of merch and stuff too. If anybody wants it, we'd be happy to hand some out.